With a PhD in ethnomusicology for the University of Alberta, Shumaila is a recipient of the Cultural Diversity Award from Edmonton Arts Council and has presented her research on the music of Pakistan at many international conferences in North America and abroad.
Pakistan experienced one of the most epochal flooding this year that displaced 33 million people, out of which 16 million are children. Women and girls are more vulnerable. So that is a very important reason why intersectionality is important as a lens to look at climate justice, because climate crisis does not impact all of us in the same way.
So join me in giving a warm welcome to Shumaila Hemani.
In late December 2024, I carried home a small plant from a local shop in Calgary. Its pot was stamped with one word: believe. It felt almost ironic given that I was unraveling in my faith in Immigration Refugees Canada, watching applications stall, safety evaporate, and belonging postponed again. And yet, I bought that plant. Maybe because at that time, life felt so uprooted that I needed something alive in my hands. Maybe because I wanted to create the feeling of home in a place that kept refusing me permanence. Each time I watered it, I wasn't just tending to leaves. I was practicing the fragile art of believing in a future that had not yet arrived. But sadly, the plant died within a week. And in early January, almost like a cruel echo, IRCC sent me a letter confirming that after 17 years of living in Canada, my immigration status had run out. It was as if the plant had withered just to prepare me for the state's reminder: your belonging here has an expiry date. It wasn't just a visa that had expired. It was the unraveling of safety, dignity, and belonging. The system didn't deport me, but it made sure I felt like I didn't belong.
Thank you, Shumaila, for that powerful story.